In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Grok to make up to $1,000 every single week. And I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can do that. And I want you to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be making it very, very detailed that you can actually start doing something right now. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Nduweze. In this channel, I talk about how to make money online and earn passively. All right, let's go straight into the video. No too much talk. Okay, so what is Grox? Grox AI is an AI tool, it's a generative AI tool, just like Perplexity, ChatGPT, Cloud, and all of that. Is owned by X. Owned by X. X is owned by Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla. You guys know him, so you can go make research about Grox. So here I'm gonna tell you how you can make money from Grox. So while others are trying to compare Grox with ChatGPT and the rest, I'm telling you how you can make money with Grox. So I'm going to teach you step by step. First of all, we'll go to Google Trends, then go to Grox, then go to Grok, then go to Gamma AI, then go to MailerLite. Now I'm going to be telling you why I chose these tools, right? If you stay to the end of this video, you see this is seamless and you can do this in less than 30 minutes and you have a data product to sell, right? Okay, let's go. So first you go to Google Trends. So what you do is you go to your browser, whether you're using Chrome or Chrome Mini, any browser you're using. So you go to Chrome browser and type Google Trends, right? Google Trends. So click on Google Trends. Click here on Google Trends, the first link that shows up, and you click on Explore. Explore here. Click on Explore. Then you search the product you want to create. Let's say you want to create a product probably around digital marketing. So let's search digital marketing. The reason why you're doing this, you want to know the volume of search that has been done on this particular subject. The volume of search will give you an idea if people really want to buy this product or not. So most people make the mistake of creating digital products without actually searching if the product has a high market volume of people that are willing to buy the product. Okay, so make sure you do this every time you're creating a digital product. Go to Google Trends and make research. You can go to Google Trends, go to askthepublic.com, make research about the topic to know what people are actually looking for. That is the easiest way to sell. Okay, because people buy what solves their problem. So you have to discover what the problem really is. So now you can see, now you select your specific country. You are in the US, United States, or you're in Ghana, Nigeria, anywhere you are, Germany, France. I'm just using US as an instance. So if you click on US, it will show you in the past 12 months the volume that I've searched it. So let's bring it down to the past 1 month, that's the past 30 days, and you can see that the volume is high. You can see 100. So the volume is very high and is there just high. Now these are the sub-regions which are searching for this particular subject, this particular product. Like they're always talking about digital products, they are just searching. So this will also help you when you are running ads to sell the product. Let's say you created a digital product and you want to run ad, you can use this and target these particular sub-regions, right? Target these particular sub-regions. These are the places that you can make more sales. All right, so you have New York, Maryland, you have the District of Columbia. So this information is very good. You can easily download this information here and save it as CSV. They use it when you are running your ad. All right, now you see that there is high volume of this. You can also download this when you're writing your copy. These are the keywords you use, so you will rank higher in your SEO. If you know what SEO is all about, that's search engine optimization. You can also download this to use it when you're writing your copy, writing your blog about your Twitter product. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, so you can also download this here as CSV and save it to use later. So now that we know that this actually has a high volume, it's time to create a digital product. Now the next thing is to go on Grok. Now you don't really need to open an account on Grok. You don't need to have an account on Grok. Just type on Grok AI. Grok AI, as you can see Elon there. So just click on Grok, the first thing that comes up. So click on it. You don't really necessarily need to have an account, but if you want to, you can sign up on the platform, right? So this is it. If you are conversant with ChatGPT, you will see that they have almost the same interface, right? So here you can make a deep search, you can add in your, but you need to log in before you can attach files here. You need to log in, so it's best to sign up. So let's just sign up, but you don't necessarily need to sign up, but let's just sign up, right? So let's sign up. You click on sign up. sign up and you continue with X, your account X, or you continue with your email, sign up with your email or sign up with Google account. So I'll just sign up with my Google account just to make it easier. I'll just select a Google account here. Allow. All right, so we are in. Like I said, if you're comfortable with ChatGPT, you will know that they have similar interface, right? The UI is almost similar. So this is it. Now you can attach files here. Maybe have a PDF you want to upload. You can upload a PDF here. You can do a deep search. You can use this to do deep search, right? But the reason why I decided to do the trend first is so that you can see it from Google itself, but you can do it from here too. Doing it from here will also draw other search engines, right, to give you a result. But always go for the Google. I know why I said that, right? You know, I just go for Google. So once you are done with that, we have done Google Trends. Now we are on Groks. Once you are done with that, so the next thing to do is to import this prompt. Now you can see this prompt. You can use it on any niche, as you can see, right? So I'm going to drop this prompt in my Telegram group. So if you want to get access to the prompt, check the description of this video. You will see the link to my Telegram group. I will drop this prompt there. It's a free Telegram group that I drop update there, so you can easily go there and get the prompt. All right, so here you can just insert the topic, insert the audience that you want to talk about, and all those stuff. So here it says act like a top tier digital strategist and experienced content creator designing digital products that generate sales and stuff like that. Everything is going to be in the group. So what you do is just put digital marketing here. So copy and put inside the topic digital marketing. So my audience are business owners who want to 10x their sales and income, right? So with this we just click on send, right? And then watch Groks do the magic. Like I said, the prompt will be inside my Telegram group, so you can actually click the link to the Telegram group directly to. You can actually click the link in the description of the video to take you directly to my Telegram group. I can get access to the prompt. So now we are done with this. What you do here is to download this file first, then also copy. So now we are done with Google Trends, Groks. But we are now in Gamma AI. After the Gamma AI, when you save it, I will show you how to do it on MailerLite. Okay, let's go. So you can see AI presentation. You click on AI presentations, click on begin now, and you click on AI slides. So this is what you should do. You click here on import, and okay, first you need to sign up. Sorry. So you sign up first. Click here and sign up. Like I said, this is a step-by-step. This is step-by-step masterclass how you can actually create digital products from anything you want to talk about. Anything you want to talk about, right? So if you have watched this point, please do me a favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified that I post a new video. All right, thank you. So when you're done signing up, then what you do is go back to Groks and copy this, then come back to Gamma AI. You can actually do a lot of things in Gamma here. You can do a lot of things. You can do your mind map here. You can do your PDF, AI PDF. You can do your charts, just like ChatGPT and the rest. You can see GPT-3. You can do your summary. AI writing. You can use it to write your blogs, but that's not what we're here. So we had to do slides. Okay, now you go back on. So you go back to Groks. Go back here to Groks and copy this. Copy this. Make sure you copy this very well. Then what? The next thing you do is open Microsoft. Open Microsoft. The reason why you open Microsoft is to save this as as Microsoft also, you can easily upload it on Gamma. Like open Microsoft. Of course, you should have Microsoft on your PC. So once you're here, just click on blank document and you paste what you copied from Grok. Paste what you copied from Grok and then you save. Save it here. Let's say we're saving it as data marketing. Save it. Then you go back on Gamma and click on this file icon here. Then you click here. Click on doc. Then you see the document here, right? Then you click on upload. It's going to upload and analyze the document like it's doing. So you can see you don't really need to do anything, just have an idea of what you want to talk about. And if you don't know what to talk about, you can also ask Grok, give me 10 digital skills that is in high demand right now. Grok will give you the digital skills. Then you create one, go to Google Trend and verify that people actually want to buy this. Then when you do that, you tell Grok to make it with the prompt I talked about, which you can find in my Telegram channel. Use it to create a digital product. Come on Gamma AI and develop it into presentations. Yeah, create my presentation. Click create on presentation. I just use a simple presentation, right? Just use this. Just use a very simple presentation, nothing too complicated. So use Grok, develop the product, then come on Gamma and make the slides. Make the slides. As you can see, he's working on it right now. He's working on it right now. He's working on it right now. Very simple. You don't need to stress yourself about anything at all. Everything is done for you. Everything is done for you. The slides, the tables, everything. So once you are done here, we'll move on to where you can. As you can see, it has created the full digital. It has created the data product. It's a comprehensive data marketing strategy for business growth and revenue amplification, understanding pain points. He talked about pain point, behavioral insights, and integration, and everything you need. Right? This is a blown out digital product that you can actually sell. You can sell this product. You can also make this product more advanced. You can make more research and make it more advanced if you want to. So now, maybe you don't like these pictures, you can easily make adjustments. Just click on what you want to remove and come here. Look at, you can add text here, you can add shape, you can add lines, you can insert charts, you can insert tables here, you can insert videos and audio, you can insert a logo, your company logo. Probably you have a logo, you insert it. You can insert a picture. Maybe you don't like this picture, you can delete and come here to insert a picture. So you can make some few touches and edits here if you don't want, right? And the reason why this picture is showing, this picture, particular picture is showing because of the templates I chose. I just chose any template. But when you are choosing a template, you just be careful, scroll down and choose the best template you can. So once you're done with the adjustment that you want to do, the next thing is to save this product, right? You save the product. It's loading to save. Successfully saved. You download it from here. The next thing is, once you download the product from here, it comes into your desktop, your laptop, your phone, whatever you're using. Then the next thing is to sell it. So what you need is to go to MailerLite. Go to MailerLite. This is a company. Go to MailerLite, click here, scroll down, look for this. This is MailerLite here. Click on this. And this is MailerLite. This pumps up. So what you do is sign up. When you sign up, you upload the digital product on MailerLite. Now, the reason why I recommend MailerLite is because they give you access to buying, that when anybody is buying the digital product, you automatically save their information. They will fill in their emails, they will fill in their phone numbers and everything. So you can also resell to them, keep up with emails and everything. So this is better than going from one platform to the other just to make that happen. Now, MailerLite have made everything to be together. So I recommend MailerLite because that is what I personally use for my own products. So here you sign up. I've already made a video about MailerLite. I'll drop the link to the video on the description of this video, and I'll also drop the link if you want to sign up on MailerLite. I'll also drop the link on the comment section that you can sign up on MailerLite. I'll drop the link to sign up on MailerLite, drop the link to sign up on MailerLite, Grok, and Gamma, right? So that way, you can easily sign up on these platforms. So that is how you can make money using. And once you publish it on MailerLite, you can start running ads on the product. I have a lot of videos I've talked about how to sell you that product. You can watch them and catch up, right? So you can run ads on this digital product and start making money. You can make as much as $1,000 a week if the product you created is something that people are willing to buy, which is why I said always go to Google to find one to. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you like this video, do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can always get a notification anytime I post a new video. Alright, see you in my next one. Peace.